బాగుంది కదా రొటేటింగ్ రండి ఎత్తుకున్నారు జాగ్రత్త
ఎంజాయ్ చేయి పర్లేదు ఎక్కువ హాయిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేయి మళ్ళీ
ఆదిత్యం కూర్చోబెట్టండి
For the new rotating cars, the improvements included new drive system and the removal of 1,000 cubic yards of rock. We'll see survey marks on rock face during the trip that indicates where rock removal was required. The new cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere to rotate 360 degrees during travel and are the largest of their type in the world. We're now high over Chino Canyon, once the summer home of the Agua Caliente band of Coy Indians. Since there are many streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of vegetation, including sycamore, cottonwood, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine. To the left or south of the tram car is but one of the many waterfalls that is fed by runoff from the mountains. During our upward journey, we passed through a variety of different limestones, ranging from the Sonora Desert to the Alpine Fringe. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Alaska. We believe this is the only place in Southern California where this beach occurs. As we approach tower number 2, top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 foot yellow helicopter platform used during construction and now used during the tram's maintenance period. Additional platforms will be seen on the remaining towers further along our journey. As you no doubt already noticed, we experienced a smooth motion tram car transition from the track cable over the tower saddle and back to the track cable. This motion results from the car moving from the track cable to the tower and back to the track. The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company of Bern, Switzerland. All moving parts and cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American-made. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables for transport, movement, and communication of the tramway. The largest of these are the on which we ride. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length. Therefore, weighing over 61. The halfway point on our trip is reached between towers 2 and 3. This happens while it appears that the downward car is traveling much faster than the car, it's actually moving at exactly the same speed. It must, because both cars are tied together by the hauling cables, which move with the car. You see, the drive system on the Valley Station is pulling that car down, and in turn is pulling us up. The two cars are 34 feet apart.
Look at that.
The Palm Springs aerial tram was first conceived in the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer, the late French Garren.
We are approaching tower number 3, ladies and gentlemen. Please make sure you hold on to this tower. We will swing more than the other 4 towers.
This day is known as the father of the tramway. The original tramway was completed in September of 1969 after some 26 months of construction and a cost in April of 1990. The tramway contracted with the Roll Tram to undertake construction and installation of these new rotating tram cars, one of which you're arriving at a total the cost of construction and the operation of the tramway. It is between towers 3 and 4 that we reach the longest span on our journey. The cables stretch for more than half a mile. Often, right toward north of the car, is one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip, the majestic spire of the Chino Cathedral Rock. Visible testimony of the solid granite core